Pope Francis reminds us that Advent is a unique opportunity to prepare our hearts for the coming of Jesus. It's not merely about counting down to Christmas. Rather, it's a time to reflect, pray, and deepen our connection with God. By remaining open to His love, we can foster a stronger relationship with Him and those around us during this significant season. This time serves as a potent reminder that we should dedicate each day of our lives to preparing for our meeting with the Lord. We should aim for daily renewal, not just on weekly or monthly basis, so that we are always ready for communion with God.